Look at your calendar. That number tells you how many years you've been alive. But inside your body, your cells are living on a completely different timeline. This is your biological age, and it dictates how fast you are actually declining. The latest research in cellular biology shows that some of our most common daily routines are quietly forcing our cells into hyperspeed aging. Here are 3 scientifically proven habits you need to break immediately to save your cellular youth. First, drinking coffee within the first hour of waking up. When you open your eyes, your body naturally spikes your cortisol levels. This is an evolutionary mechanism designed to wake you up and repair tissues. Introducing caffeine immediately crashes this natural spike. This forces your body to rely on artificial stimulation, leaving you in a state of chronic low-grade stress. Clinical studies show that chronic stress directly accelerates the shortening of telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA. Shorter telomeres mean faster aging. To protect your DNA, wait at least 90 minutes after waking up before having your first cup. Second, chronic microdehydration. Most people only drink water when they feel thirsty. By then, it is already too late. Even a 1% drop in cellular hydration triggers a stress response in your body. When your cells are parched, they stop prioritizing DNA repair and autophagy, the vital process where your body cleans out damaged zombie cells. Instead, they go into basic survival mode. Over time, this lack of cellular rinsing causes metabolic waste to accumulate, aging you from the inside out. Third, late-night blue light exposure. We know it ruins sleep, but recent longevity science reveals a deeper danger. Blue light hitting your eyes at night directly damages your skin and cellular structures, completely separate from your sleep quality. It disrupts your peripheral cellular clocks, confusing your body's natural biological rhythm. Your cells think it is midday, which completely shuts down the nighttime DNA repair process. To fix this, use strict blue light blockers, or better yet, turn off screens 2 hours before bed. Your chronological age is set in stone, but your biological age is entirely up to you.